Tumana kariko ate wona cihanda tha ikumi ngukana matemo ma mohoro nimo maya jetagwo Waweru wa Nyambura. President William Ruto neigirite thiko ya gatatu ya icera riake kaunti-ini cia ruguru rwa bururi kuria hungurite matura-ini matiganite kaunti-ini ya Busia. Hamwe na mifango ya uthii wa na mbere iria president athurimite ni waki wa nyumba cia thirikari uria uratwarithio na mbere mwena wa Nangina. Oho, president ni aruguritie waki wa barabara ya kuma itura ria Matayos nginyagia Mubaka. Icera-ini riri, president athiete na mbere na guikia mihwa ya njino cia uteti kuri atongoria a mung'ethaniro.
Si wao ndio walianzisha ati kusema mimi nimekonda. Sasa mimi nataka niwaambie nyinyi majamaa, si ndio? Punguzeni chakula kidogo na mutafute gym mwende mfanye exercise. Ama namna gani? Ati kwa kiburi, unajua nilikuwa najaribu kuwasaidia. They are the ones who started. Si walisema ati mimi nimekonda. Sasa mimi nimewaambia, sasa mimi nimepunguza chakula. Mimi nafanya exercise kwa gym. Kwa sababu mimi nataka kukaa alert. Ama namna gani? Kwani kama mimi ningekuwa nimebeba weight ningefika hapa saa 2. Si wale watu wamebeba weight bado wanalala saa hii. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Sasa nimewaambia, wacheni kiburi. I'm trying to help you. Nimewaambia njia ya kukata weight.
Kwa hivyo tunawaomba ndugu zetu wa Western Region, Busia ikiwemo ikiwa katikati, wabunge wetu wote, hata mheshimiwa Oundo, tuanze kutembea njia moja. Tuanze kusungumuza lugha moja. Tuanze kusikizana ya kwamba hii region yetu tukitaka maendeleo na tukitaka kubenefit kwa goodwill na social capital ya Rais Ruto, lazima tusimame pamoja. Lazima tumuunge mkono ili wakati wetu ikifika naye atatuunga mkono.
Gikundi gia keri kia maafitha a borithi aria matumitwo guteithia mihango ya gucokia thayo bururi-ini wa Haiti ni gicokete guku bururi-ini. Mumagaritio ni munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na kwamukirwo ni maafitha anene ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri. Maafitha aya ni matugiritio ni wira wao guku thirikari igicakaya ikuũ cia maafitha atatu. Wangui wa Mwangi enohoro makiria.
Utuko wa muthenya wa Jumaine kiharo-ini kinene kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta niguo gikundi gia keri kia maafitha a borithi aria matumitwo guteithia kuiga thayo bururi-ini wa Haiti makinyite makuwitwo ni ndege ya Kenya Airways. Maumagaritio ni munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja, gikeno kiao gucoka mucii mari agima gitinahithika guku makeina na gukungwira na nyimbo cia uhotani. Utungata wao wa ucamba wira-ini uyu ni ugathiriirio na njira nene ni gukorwo hamwe na guteithia gucokia thayo Haiti no maheithitie bururi wa Kenya gitio kia mwanya maitho-ini ma mabururi.
This evening we have received a second contingent of 215 officers from Haiti. This team has been there for the last 18 months and the team has done very well. I met with the senior leaders at Haiti, ambassadors, the leadership of Haiti, and everybody is very, very thankful, grateful for the works that these officers have rendered while on that assignment.
We are all proud of the achievements that you've made, even as we wait for the rest of your colleagues to come back. And therefore, on behalf of the government and the ministry and the people of Kenya, I want to thank you for answering to that call and for serving with courage and professionalism.
Our national police is better for your service in Haiti. But we have also received a lot of gratitude from the Haitian people, Sinikweli, from the Haitian leadership, Sinikweli, from the leadership in Latin America and from around the world. You have made us very, very proud.
No na gucoka kwao gugikunguyagirwo, thirikari ni icakaite kurwo ni maabitha atatu aria makwirire wira-ini uyu guku makiruta kiraniro gia kurugama na family ciao.
The mission was not without sacrifice. We honor the two brave colleagues, Kenyans, and the extra one who lost their lives in the line of duty. And before we proceed, I would want to ask that we observe a minute of silence in honor of our colleagues. And to the families who lost their loved ones, please know that the government of Kenya and this administration will continue to stand with you.
Itua ria gutuma maabitha aya Haiti mwaka-ini wa 2023 ni undu wekireirwo nganja no guthie kwao na gutongoria mbuto ya hamwe ya maabitha a mabũrũri mangĩ ni kũbutĩte nganja ici.
We got the strategic guidance from His Excellency the President. He pronounced himself in the international arena that Kenya was willing to support the efforts to stabilize Haiti. And as you all know, we turned up to support the people of Haiti when many dared not to. And it is because of the bravery of you officers who are assembled here that our country has earned lots of accolades across the world.
Magieterera gucokereria wira-ini wao guku bũrũri-ini, maabitha aya ni mataritwo kuigithia wega mbeca iria mathukumite ihinda-ini riu marari Haiti niguo ituike cia kumaguna. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Maabitha a borithi kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ni marethana na mwikuirwo wa uici wa mahiũ matũra-ini matiganite ma kaunti ino. O ni thutha wa borithi kuhithukia nyama cia ng'ombe muciĩ-ini kwa mwikuirwo uyu mwena wa Mathari cihithĩtwo thĩinĩ wa macini cia kuhehia gũkũ mahĩndĩ mamwe mathoretwo na nyama ikendio. Kuringana na komanda wa borithi cia wathani wa matũra Dennis Otero, mahithũkĩtie nyama icio thutha wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na ngari ĩmwe ĩrĩa ĩrerĩkana ĩrakuĩte ng'ombe ya ũici. Ciĩko cia ũici wa mahiũ ciongererekete matũra-ini ma Kieni na Tetu.
Tuliweza kufuatilia, tukasema wacha hiyo gari vile imepotea tuende kwa ile boma ambaye sisi tulifika kwa hiyo boma na kweli tukathibitisha kwamba ng'ombe zilichinjwa, na ndiposa leo tuko mahali hapa kwa hii boma. Mkiweza kuangalia tuko na fridges kadhaa, nyama kadhaa ambaye tunashuku ng'ombe zilichinjwa hiyo usiku, alafu nyama zikahifadhika katika hizo fridges. Kaunti ya Nyeri kwa hakika wizi ya mbuzi na ng'ombe iko rampant. East sub-county na Tetu sub-county of recent, for the last 2 months, wengi wamepoteza wanyama kupitia wizi, na tukifuatilia hatuwapati, ila tu kugundua kwamba
ruhonge rwogima wa mwiri rwa thi ni ruheanite macini cia guteithia aria mahutitio ni mwaraho na aria mangihutio ihinda riri ria mbura nene kuria maratanya guteithia andu 100,000. Mwaraho uyu uhutitie andu makiria ma 12,000 kaunti-ini 18 na wongereire ugwati wa gututhuka kwa mirimu ta kuharwo gatema na malaria. Hinda-ini riri macini ici cigukinyira andu 5,000 aria ahutie muno. Macini ici ni cia guthima na kurigita mundu nyititwo ni murimu wa kolera na typhoid, mirimu iria yumanaga na mwaraho, na indo ici cia gutheria mai oro hamwe no ciheanitwo undu umwe na cia guteithia aria manyititwo ni kimako.
To formally hand over critical emergency health supplies from the World Health Organization to the Ministry of Health. These include cholera case management, investigation, and rapid diagnostic kits, as well as water treatment supplies and trauma kits. Together, these materials are designed to reach an estimated 5,000 people in the most affected areas.
In collaboration with the county governments and partners, has activated emergency preparedness and response mechanism to ensure that communities at risk receive timely health services. emergency kits we are receiving today will significantly strengthen our capacity to respond rapidly and effectively to the health needs.
Mubunge wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Njeri wa Maina niendekithitie kumbwo gwa kigina gia kuhe ciana cia airetu tauro cia utheru na gikirwo budget-ini. Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga hindi ya mubango wa kugaya tauro cia utheru mathukuru-ini, Njeri augite ati mbeca cia tauro ni rimwe ciambaga gutwarwo mabataro-ini mangi mbere ya cirutite wira uyu. Boni Wathuku ni aratariria.
Nĩ mĩhang'o ya gũtwara tauro cia ũtheru mathukuru-inĩ ngũrani kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, mũbango-inĩ ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ mũmbunge mũtumia kaunti-inĩ ĩno Njeri Maina. Na akĩrugũria tabarĩra ĩno Njeri nĩ augĩte atĩ nĩ kĩeha rĩmwe kuona atĩ mbunge ĩkĩamba gũtwaraga mbeca cia tauro ici kũrĩ maũndũ mangĩ, o rĩrĩ mwana wa kairĩtu akoretwo akĩibatara makĩria.
O mwana wothe wa JSS harĩa Kirinyaga yarũma thukuru ciothe nĩ egũkorwo akĩnyitĩra bagiti inya cia sanitary towels na mubango uyu twambiriirie ta women reps getha tuhote kunyitirira mwana wa kairetu ni ndo hindire mwana wa kairetu ena ihinda ria mweri ni ukoraga ni ararimo no koro guthie thukuru ni ndo hihi ugakora aciari ange matire no hoti kana financial capacity ya gukoro makimagurira sanitary towels makiria ni ndo wa hygiene ya mwana wa kairetu.
Augite ati he bata thirikari na makiria mbunge gwitikira gwikagirira kigina giki uria kiagirirwo na niguo arutwo matigakoragwo magitira mathukuru.
No rendengira thirikari mubango uyu reku ukoragwo ugiko in due and timely manner gutigakorwo ati rimwe mbeca ni iregaga gwikiro budget ugakora ati budget ni irahitukio gutari na kigina gia kugurira ciana citu free sanitary towels. Ni ndo hindire mwana wa kairetu ena hinda ria mweri na every month henderia misi thukuru ongitara mwaka mugima mwana wa kairetu no akorwo atete thuko nyingi muno cia guthoma makiria henderia mwana wa kairetu atari na sanitary towels cia kuigana.
Oreti abunge manyitanire na niguo na kigena giki kiuma matigaceragirwo gwika uria kiagirirwo na niguo kuhonokagia mwana wa kairetu.
Tari mwaka muthiru sanitary towels ni ciacereirwo kuheano na ni undu wa gukorwo ati tutirona ta priority mwana wa kairetu gukorwo keo free sanitary towels na no nginya tumenye ambunge othe atumia aria thure na nginya ambunge yange wa male colleagues ati mwana wa kairetu ndonge mukompea na mwana wa kaheni undu hindiria arona ihinda ria mweri ni thuko nyingi muno kuri mwaka angetera thukuru koguo to prioritize one of the priorities ya budget ever gukoro sanitary towels.
Andu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Kiamaina kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Boni Wathuku.
Hau niho tugutirihira mohoro maitu ma matemo muthenya wa umuthi mohoro mangi ukumamukira ona ciehanda thaa imwe na thaa 3 cia hwaini. Ngatho ni gwitikira kunyitanira na ithue kaidini gaka turari kamukira uri ungi wa studio tabarira-ini ya Mwega Ngaro ukireherwo ni Nyambura wa Kabui, Jonato Gikonyore Ses na DJ Smiles. Handu-ini hado rothe twanyitanira nao gukurehera umemerekio uyu hwaini wa umuthi tugitongorio ni Linet Mutheu na Regina Wanjiku wa Mwaura. Yana hwaini mwega njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.